Okay, so let me share this screen a minute. Let's go to.
So in your case, it's paid.
Sorry.
In your case, is it paid?
It is, yeah. I don't really promote them that much, but yeah, they are. Let's get rid of that, and let's. We don't need those. Okay, cool. Share screen. Share. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Let me move on there.
Did you know why I put some dark shades there?
Oh, at the top.
Yeah, so that it will feel naturally. It flows downwards. But if you don't like it, I can change it.
I'm thinking, right? So let's go over it on desktop and then we'll go over it on mobile. So on desktop, we'll talk about, yeah, so on desktop, at the moment in time, you're viewing my MacBook. It looks a little bit different on my actual desktop. Let me pull it up on my desktop as well. Because
I've tried that before.
Sorry?
Comparing both desktop and Mac.
Yeah, so I mean it's just a little bit wider, so things look a little bit up a little bit more. So
Right.
I'm thinking potentially, okay, we make this a little bit smaller, right? Only so that we have the
You mean the entire
or we move
title?
or we move it up a little bit. I'm trying to get stuff above the fold as much as possible. So maybe
okay.
we make profitable a little bit smaller. Yeah, so that at least people can see the video.
Video right away. Okay.
Yeah. Because if we
Actually I realized that.
Yeah.
But since you already approved the first design I have, so maybe I was thinking, I think it's okay to put the video below the fold.
Yeah, let's try.
Yeah,
let's try and get the video above the fold, just so that people can see the video playing. I think that's important that it's there.
we have an option there. So
Okay.
maybe we can put profitable e-commerce business in one line. So those three words will be in one line, and then just move the rest above, so that we can minimize this part above.
Oh, so it says how to create a profitable e-commerce business, and then we will remove and generate your first 200 sales and beyond.
No, I mean profitable e-commerce and business will be in one line, and then
oh, okay. How to create a profitable e-commerce business on one line? Did you say?
okay?
Yeah.
No, but I think it will destroy the emphasis there, right?
Mm.
The words profitable e-commerce should be contrasted. Or maybe we can,
I think profitable.
I think we can minimize altogether.
Yeah. Let's try and think about how we can potentially do that. Okay. Just basically my main concern is having the video up above the fold. Okay. Also, even if you have, okay, yeah. So at least we've got that video. I think also a little bit larger. and just have it more, a little bit more prominent.
Okay, I'll
I'm
try. I'll try some ideas. But the,
Yeah, let me try.
the goal is to put everything on the fold, right?
Goal is to, yeah, well, not everything.
Just
Let me look at my old one a minute. 1 second.
I think the old one is not having this contrast. I think everything is the same size. Same size.
Yeah, so the old one. Yeah, so with the old one, let me actually.
I'll try to figure that out. Maybe I'll just make it thinner.
1 second. 1 second. Let me. Let me pause this. Okay, let me go back to share screen. Okay, can you see my screen?
Yeah. It's really
okay,
small.
great. Let me move. Let me move this.
So the most important detail in that is the video. Am I right?
Sorry?
The most important detail is the video, right?
So yes, so if we look at this, okay, we can see here that everything is pushed down below the fold, whereas with this one here, where all the information is above the fold. I mean, this is just all one size, isn't it? Really. The thing is, yeah, the video itself is very prominent. I think the video needs to be because most people are going to watch this or watch at least a little bit of this, and this basically sells. If people watch all of this, then 9 times out of 10 they'll go ahead and make a purchase. I actually need to update this, but we need to do something like that, but with this, right?
Okay.
So that there's less scrolling. What we can do as well is, I think with this, we can potentially take away the price as well and just have get instant access. Okay, and we remove the background of this potentially, because what I'm thinking about, or just hide it so that it's not deleted, it's hided so that I can go back and put it back in, later. With this one, I do have the price, right? But I'm thinking I don't want the price to turn people off. Like we discussed before. So a few things on a. Sorry. One of my analogies.
Strategies.
I can't. There's a lot of background noise.
Oh, sorry. Is that I am saying, is that one of your strategies? Like not having the price because it turns off the people. How did you know that?
Potentially, I mean, it depends, because you know what happens is people get sticker shock, right? So when you look at something that you want to buy, and then you instantly see the price is $500, then you get that like initial sticker shock. It's like, oh, that's quite a lot of money, and you have to then read all the way through. If someone wants to read all the way through and understand what they're getting, the results and all those kind of things, then it's like, oh, okay, the price seems reasonable. Whereas if you're just here and you have a look at that price, you're going to think it's expensive, right? So that's one thing I'm thinking. Also with this, right, here, was it possible to put those stars in? Because those things that we said before about the 5 stars and saying over 100 something. Yeah, so let's try and put that one in, no problem.
The stars.
Yeah, underneath the bottom. Or we could put it underneath the buy button. Okay. So here.
stars. I can't believe I forgot.
We could put 5 stars there, rated by 5.5/5 stars, or over 100, 1,200 students, or something along those lines, right? The stars can go somewhere in here, right? So top part, we need to. I do like this fade down. I do like this. It looks pretty cool.